Hi, I'm Rowan King and I'm part of the Aberystwyth Robotics Club. Now I'm going to be talking about my GCSE product design project. Unfortunately, the final product did not go towards the final grade due to unforeseen circumstances and school closing, but I decided to finish it anyway at home because it was a lot of fun to make. At the start of the project, I had no idea what I wanted to do and ended up doing a lot of sketching that I didn't need to do, and I changed my theme twice. I'm not the most decisive person. I knew I wanted to involve robotics and 3D printing as well as wanting to do practical skills, and I don't think I could have made anything without LEDs. Eventually, I decided to make a hexagon cupboard that opens using servos at a push of a button. Originally, I was going to do it so the triangles opened up like an iris door, but I didn't have enough time to do all that, and the shape of the doors would have had to open in a specific way so they don't overlap and make everything strong enough to hold. I used plywood for the main parts and laser cut the back and cut the edges at an angle to create a hexagon shape. I also created shelf parts to go across the middle to make use of the space. The door parts on the front are made of Perspex pink transparent acrylic, which were laser cut into triangles. These were attached to the main cupboard by metal hinges that were glued on. Then I used 6 servos, one for each of the doors, attached a 3D printed arm and brackets to attach the doors so that they can slide up and down. 2 are longer than the rest because I forgot about the shelf bits, so I designed 4 shorter ones so that they wouldn't get caught. I used an Arduino which programmed the servos to open and close at a push of a button. Then I made a box to put the Arduino in, which I built to go on top so it can open up and I can access the electronics. I also added LEDs which are in different colours and turn on and off when the cupboard is opened and closed. I also 3D printed 6 glow-in-the-dark flowers which go in the front and are the same colours as the LEDs. They also draw attention away from the 3D printed arms and really stand out against the acrylic and the wood. I designed them on Design Spark. That was fun to do, except when the 3D printing filaments kept snapping and I had to sit with the printer for half an hour each time to make sure it didn't run out and feed bits of filament in while it was printing. Thank you to everyone who's helped me build it, and the cupboard is now a great place for me to keep all my little 3D printed bits and bobs.